Hello, everybody. Welcome to my third Twitch stream. Today I'm inside of Bobotron's, I'm sorry, not Robotron, Bobotron's house. He's a guy in South Africa, and this is his place. I haven't actually met him yet, but I watched one of his YouTubes where he showed off this place, and, it looks pretty cool. So I thought I'd camp out here for a bit. What I've also done is I've downloaded some non-player characters, or NPCs. You might want to call them bots if you wish. You see them over here. All right? These are user-created NPCs from the community. And we're going to be looking at these today. Let me give you a first-person point of view of these. So we have here a Roomba, and we have from Zelda, a Navi, I think it is called, a Navi NPC. And we have a cleaning drone robot made by Anomalous. So these are 3 user-created non-player characters that have been scripted using NEOS's in-house scripting language, visual scripting language called Logix. So as far as I know, there haven't been any kinds of external programming involved with these 3 NPCs. Now, right now, they're not doing anything in particular. They're just idling here. But when I turn on these buttons, press them, and when I touch that butterfly-like NPC, they will come to life, and we'll see what they do. Hopefully, they work properly. And, we're trying to get inspiration here from the community to figure out what kinds of NPCs to build. I have a project with my friend Liz Solo in NEOS here, and our project is to build our own non-player character, or our own NPC inside of NEOS. However, we're going to make our NPCs hopefully more cognitively capable than what we see with these 3 examples here. We're going to go outside of Logix and not just use Logix, but also expand on that by working with a meta creation programmer, an AI programmer called Kavanch Tatar, and we're going to expand the cognitive capabilities of these kinds of NPCs. We're going to make NPCs that don't just wander around and sense and perceive things and react based on their model of the world in some reflexive way, but also have their own sense of creativity, their own sense of thinking about the world that they're in. That's our goal. But in the case of this one, and this one, these are NPCs made with basically what they would call a finite state machine architecture, an FSM architecture. So they're made using Logix. Logix is a visual program with these chained visual modules. And each of these NPCs will perceive its environment in a certain way and then react using whatever suggested action is available to it at that time. So they're state machines. While in a certain state, they'll do something. For example, this cleaning robot will wander around, hopefully, and look for things to clean, or things that are seen as dirty, or things that need fixing. It'll just wander around. This butterfly just tries to escape you. Of course, once it's been activated, it will try and do that. And will float around kind of like a pixie. So that's really cool. And this Roomba, I don't know how many of you know what a Roomba is. It's one of those, well, it looks like this. It's a circular vacuum cleaner. I have one for my apartment, but mine isn't very good. It will just go around in a random kind of movement, wandering around the floor, bumping into things kind of mindlessly. But it will react in a sensory motor kind of way, although that's virtual here. And then it will turn around and go some other direction when it hits something. Okay, and normally a real vacuum cleaner would be, you see the little brushes down here. Well, that kind of robot would be sweeping the floor and cleaning up everything, all the dirt. So these 2 are cleaners. Oh, I think someone's here. Oh, hey, Rubik, how's it going, man?
I don't think so.
How you doing?
Not bad. Not bad. How are you?
Good. I'm just live streaming from Bobotron's place. I'm going to see if I can get these NPCs to work for the live stream.
Cool.
Feel free to join if you want. I'm just going to test these out and have a look.
Yeah, I'm working on another project right now, but I just kind of I'm just taking a small break to see what else is going on.
Cool. Yeah, I'm not really doing a hell of a lot. Just gonna give a quick showcase of these 3 NPCs, which you've probably seen before already. So, um, but it's cool to see you. Yeah. This live stream's not very busy right now. There's like almost no one on here right now, but I'm recording it, so for later.
Nice, nice. I think I've seen that NPC before.
Which one?
The bot.
They're all bots. Which one? Oh, there's 2 bots here. Which one?
Oh yeah, I have seen these before.
Yeah, the cleaning one by Anomalous, which I got from that folder in the directory world. The Roomba vacuum cleaner, which is kind of a default gadget, isn't it? And the from Zelda, is it? What is it called?
Yep.
Navi or Nabi? Do you remember? I guess I check my inventory again, but not that it matters, I guess. So yeah, as soon as they're touched, they start turning on, right? I was just about to turn them on and then see what they do for the stream. But
well, so I know for this bot, it. Well, I don't have permission to activate it here, but yeah, basically. Or do you want?
That means I don't either.
This one.
Under session. This is my place. Or sorry, this is not my place. This is Bobotron's place. But
yeah, you might want to. Do you know how to check your permissions?
Yeah, I do. Under session, yeah.
Yeah, check your permissions. You need to be. I don't have permissions to even interact with anything here because I'm a spectator. So
I am an admin. I guess just because I'm here.
Yeah.
Do you want to be something? I'm just going to turn these on and watch them and commentate on them as they do their thing for the stream. That's all I'm really going to do here.
Okay. Yeah, I'll join in.
Okay. What do you want me to change a role from spectator, or do you want to actually?
Yeah, if you don't mind giving me a build,
Sure.
At least guest.
Yeah. How about give you a builder? Huh? There you
go. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Hopefully it won't lag too much, but I'm just going to do a test here to see if I can get this to work. Okay, so what I'll do is I will turn one of these on. I think I want to try the cleaning robot first, because when I turned it on the last time, I guess it went to the spawning location of the main part of the world, and I tried it in the content hub, and I couldn't find it. It spawned somewhere, and it was talking to me, but it disappeared, and it glitched or something. I'm hoping it'll work from here. It'll spawn sort of near here and then do its thing. I'm hoping for that. The Roomba one's pretty predictable, and I figured out this other one too. Let's try the one that interests me the most. This cleaning robot. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see what it does, huh?
Yeah, I'm fairly familiar with the back-end code that runs like what the intended function for what the robot does.
Oh yeah.
And I find the robot really annoying.
Oh well, prepare to be annoyed then.
Yeah.
Yeah, but did it work though? Did it work properly, or was it glitching out?
I was also one of the beta testers.
Oh, okay.
For it, so.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it does work, but it does change the entire world. World route.
Oh, well. Hopefully this place won't get destroyed in the process then.
Oh no, nothing gets destroyed. Everything just gets moved around.
Oh, it actually does cleaning, does it? Does it actually do that?
Okay.
Does it actually clean? Oh.
No problem, huh?
Oh. All right. Are you ready to give it a go?
Ready to go.
All right, let's do this. Okay, scanning user spawner. Oh. Am I being scanned? I am.
Yes.
I'm reassigning you.
Where'd it go? Do you know?
It's behind. So it went behind you, and now it just dipped down through the ground.
Oh, did it get stuck under the ground?
No, it's still inside.
Oh, there it is. It's glitching. It doesn't know how to. Oh, what? Oh.
No, it jumps around.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's designed to jump around.
Keep your clutter to yourself.
I can hear it, but I don't see it. I was hoping it would just float around, like, sort of scan for people.
I mean,
who will take responsibility for this?
That's funny.
So it kind of teleports around randomly.
Oh, there it is. And it's scanning. Okay, I like the rate casting scanning. I see it now. What if I get in front of it? Oh, it just teleports randomly?
It just teleports around randomly. It's
Oh.
not.
Go ahead, yeah.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, because right now it's kind of just doing its initial cleanup, and then it's just going to continue to go around between all the users and be kind of annoying when with its speech.
Oh. I was hoping it would just float around and gradually scan for people, you know?
No,
Like a Roomba
it
kind of.
Right, no, it just teleports around randomly.
Detected.
But then
Moving
also,
car edge.
the way the code works,
Mhm.
the way the base code works for the world manager, right? If I open up an inspector, since for some reason this one's, if I open up an inspector now, the entire holy cow, that's a lot of cubes. So it's gonna go. I haven't. It's gonna find all of the. Yeah, so it's janitor bot system,
Oh, there it is.
and then your other items were Navi and Roomba, but this becomes a whole world.
Oh.
It becomes an entire bot, and like users, I'm actually surprised that I'm not listed because yeah, it should have recognized me already. But then again, it's probably still doing its like base scanning because there's a lot of root objects that are in here that it needs to go through, and it's gonna go through them one by one.
Okay. So, but it can detect actual avatars, like it might know me to follow me, kind of thing, or no? Like it's listed here, but my name's listed there. But
No. So your name is listed there because you have because you should be in root. Okay, there's definitely a glitch going on because you should be under your own. You should be under Tron here.
Right.
So,
oh.
But then again, it hasn't. You're way down the list, so it's still looking for. Oh, you're the host user. That's why.
Okay.
The host user is always identifiable in the world.
So as far as that robot's concerned, it's not going to try and clean me up because I'm the host. Something like that? No.
It just knows to create a user spot for you, and then it'll automatically do that for any users that come to the world while it's active.
Oh, okay.
Because users that join are automatically known, but users that are already in the world are not. But it is also kind of slow.
Okay, well that's cool. I was looking for a particular. I saw this through Aegis Wolf. He had this drone like robot. I think it had the follow script, the NPC follow script, like you have with the camera, and it looked like a Terminator. You know, like in Terminator, they have those flying robots, drone robots. There was something like that. It had a similar kind of ray casting, scanning, and interacting thing, similar to this robot, except it didn't teleport. It actually floated and followed people, kind of stalked them.
That I don't know, honestly.
Yeah, I've only seen it once, and I can't seem to find it again. I didn't get it for myself. Yeah. All right, I guess I'm done with this, huh?
Yeah, I mean, we can just let it run, but
yeah, I don't know.
Because basically, it's going to continue. It has to scan, and it basically assigns objects based on who's the nearest user.
Okay.
If people are spread out, because this was actually designed for the Creator Jam.
Oh. Okay.
And then if people are like, if it can't determine a person, it just goes by. It just puts everything in orphan.
Oh, okay.
And it's basically just putting, because we're so too close together for it to work properly. It's just putting everything in orphan.
Oh, okay. Good to know.
So,
for reference, yeah.
Yeah. That's basically what it does, and the code would actually run a lot faster if it wasn't doing all the animations. So.
Oh, okay. So it's quite the animations, would you say, for an NPC here?
Yeah, but I mean, for an NPC, it's a pretty good animator system.
Right.
It's just. So next being Roomba, probably.
Yeah. Do you want to do the honors? There you go. Touched it. There it goes. It should act just like a regular Roomba for Lucky. Yep. That's just like the one I have at home.
I don't have one.
No? Yeah, I got a cheap one. It's probably only as good as this one. Except when it gets tired, it goes to its home base. Oh, went through the wall. That's pretty clever.
That's because I couldn't see the other wall.
See if I can find you.
Oh, I'm floating. It won't find me. Yeah, it's not seeing this wall.
Oh, okay. I guess that wall has no collision physics or something, huh? Like that particular wall. Oh yeah, this is the Navi one. I like this one. Try and catch it, and it runs away. I mean, I could fly and get it, I guess. Try and get it. Oh, got it.
Nice.
Usually I'm not so lucky.
But that's basically it for this room. Or for those objects.
Yeah. Oh, it's... Touch it again. Oh, disappeared. See? I like that. It teleports away from you. That one, it makes sense for that one. For the for this one, the Navi. But for the cleaning robot, it doesn't make sense for it to teleport randomly. You would expect it to just float around. And...
Yeah, but it's floating towards each object it's scanning.
Right.
So it can properly do the animation of it actually scanning each object.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
I like the design of it, though. Actually, I like the design of all these. I mean, the Roomba's just a Roomba, but these other ones are quite nice. The way they're visually designed. Very cool. Yeah, I'm going to try and collect more NPCs.
You're trying to make me one. Where'd that Roomba go?
Eventually, I am going to. I was trying to find a way to take one script and... oh, there's
Seriously, the Roomba went up the wall?
Where is it?
It's up on the wall.
Hold on. Oops. No.
What is it doing up there?
That's a good question. Let me have a look. Oh, there. That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That's absolutely ridiculous. Let me move that Twitch window out of the way so I can... That's ridiculous. What's it doing? It's a stealth one. It's pretending to be a clock. What happens if I turn it off here? Will it drop? Let's see. What?
Nope.
That's funny, man. The Navi's trying to interact with it. Oh, you grabbed it. That's why. Pretty funny.
Yep.
And now the Navi's stuck in the wall too. I guess they need some more collision physics for the walls and ceilings here.
Yeah, I don't actually know.
Oh wait, no, this is actually a mirror, isn't it? Or can I go? Oh, it's a wall I can go through. Huh. Well, that's kind of weird. I can see you through there.
I mean,
it's a weird surface. It's like a fly-through mirror, huh? Weird.
I mean, it's a surface, but it's not a it's translucent. It's not opaque. So.
Yeah, weird. Oh, I can see right in my face. Where'd my telephone go? There it is.
Yep. But I'm gonna get going. So.
Sure. Thanks for saying hi, man.
Yeah. Take care.
We'll see you around, I'm sure. Hey. Yep. Okay. Now let's go down here, and let's drop down here, and let's go into third person. And the drone camera will automatically zoom onto me in that movie Hollywood kind of way. All right. Okay. So that's all good. So this is Bobotron's place. I think we've had a good look at all the NPCs around that I brought in. There aren't many more NPCs in this. So yeah, Bobotron, he's got a nice little pad here. He has a puppet of the creator of NEOS, Fruxius. I think I can wear that hand puppet. It is scripted. Oops, if I can get to it. What? Oh, won't let me take it. Okay, never mind. I was hoping to actually take that puppet. And this, anyway, let's see here. So yeah, that's the creator, Fruxius. He is the founder and the CTO of NEOS. That's a puppet based on his fox-like avatar, which you can see in the background through there. Oh, this has a game. can actually play this game. Let's see. Is there a game I can play? Is there a mouse I can touch? Guess not. All right. What else is around? I don't know if any of you are hungry for some junk food here. This is exceptionally fast food in a virtual world. It's probably bad for my diet, so I'm not going to have those. And I don't want to endorse too much product placement here anyway. These video cassettes, which he's anchored to the desk, would normally work. You can normally play them in a video player. All right, what else can I look at here? I'm going to go into third person for a minute. Let me just see here. I'm going to turn this around. It's going to turn me around. You can see there's a mirror behind me. Huh? You see the back of me there? So these mirrors are quite nice. What else can I show you of Bobotron's place since I'm here? You can actually bring in these controllers inside of NEOS VR, and then you know what all the buttons do for your hands. These hands are actually controllers, buttons. I own this one here, the Vive. All right, is this... Oh, wait. Let me go into first person here. So there are these controllers here. These are just representations of the controllers. And for example, I have the Vive. So this tells me how to use my controllers to open up certain menus and do certain things. I also have an Oculus Quest. It looks more or less like this one here. And that's probably the next closest controller to what I have. And oh, look, there's an events list here. Saturday meetup. Ooh, in 9 days. And there's a creator jam. Well, I'm not quite a creator yet, so I don't know if I want to go to the jam until I'm ready. But, well, you never know. Okay, what else? I'll just quickly show you Bobotron's nice view here. He's got a nice log, as you can see there, with some... Oh, I thought that shadow was from a bird, but actually it's from that NPC, the Navi. Let's see. It's definitely a nice view here. A good skybox. He has a chess table and a trampoline. I'll show you the trampoline quickly.
Hey, listen!
Whoa. Jumping up and down. Jump and move. Ugh. Okay. What else is there to really show you? There isn't much else to show you in Bobotron's place, but it's a nice pad to crash and hang out. Let's see who is in NEOS at the moment at the world table. Any names? Oh, there's my name there, of course. In this world called Memory Lane. I don't recognize many of the other names here. But if I go into my friends list, I'll show you what I mean. Let's see here. So I will... oh yeah, I remember how to do this. Render private UI. Now you can see my banner menu here. I can look at my friends list. And there aren't too many of my friends online right now. Fruxius is online. He's one of the creators. He's using a different version of NEOS, obviously a better version than what I have because he's literally making it right now. I guess there will be an update for me to try once he's ready, and then I can enter a more robust, stronger version of NEOS. Okay, so I think I will wrap up this Twitch account right now. And yeah, because there's nothing more to say at the moment. I'll be back on Twitch maybe a little bit later on. But the whole point of this Twitch, Twitch stream today was just to show those NPCs inside of Bobotron's space, and just see how the basic NPCs work here, and how they're scripted, and how they interact, how they behave, how they perceive. Okay, so I'm going to say bye for now and render this recording, and I will see you for the 4th Twitch stream sometime very soon. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.